Good evening, everyone. सगळ्यांक बरी सांज जावन येता. लायव्ह येवपा कारण अशें जाल्यार हात झडपी इलेक्शन आहा हें खबर आहा तुमकां. म्हणून तेज पयलें हांव मातशें आमगे चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हें विचारपा सोदितां. तो गोवा लिबरेशन डे सेलिब्रेट करपा इतू ग्रँडली भायर सरलो आहा की सेंट्रलासून उमकेक रोड तेणें मागलो आहाय. प्लस तेणें थिंगा प्रेसिडेंटा पासून इनवायट केला, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया ताका पासून इनवायट केलो आहा. जाल्यार म्हाका एकू धाकटीशी गोडणी सांगो सोदितां कालची. एकलो मनीस एक्सिडेंट जालो ताका आनी हांव 108 फोन मारलो. 108 म्हणपा लागोले की आम बिजी आहाय, आम पुलिसां इन्फॉर्म केलो आहा आम बिजी आहाय. जाल्यारू गोंय आमगे 100 एम्ब्युलन्स आहाय जाल्यारू 100 बिजी आहाय. फॉरगेट फूल ऑफ गोवा, सावथाकू सांगोत एटलीस्ट 20 एम्ब्युलन्स. आर दे बिजी? If they are busy, if we have so many cases going on in Goa, accidents down, COVID down, why is the Dr. Pramod Sawant using so much money in spending for Goa Liberation Day? Why can't he utilize it for a development basic for medical facilities, hospital, education facilities? What is needed? Kitya, Chief Minister of Goa, I need to ask you this thing. And to liberation, what liberation you're celebrating? Where the youth is protesting on the road, people are protesting on the road, where you're not ready to listen of the people, you all are suppressing the voices by arresting. So you tell me how you want, people to celebrate Goa Liberation Day, and in what grand way you're trying to celebrate this. You are putting posters at Happy Human Rights Day and corruption, against corruption. तुम पहिले सद्या करप्ट आहाय, तुम पहिले ते कोताय ते चोयाय रे. हां, आपण कोताय ते चोय नाय म्हणा बरोवपा पोस्टर ऑल घाताय तुमी. Let's stand against corruption and all. We have stood against corruption. Now you tell, you stand and show against corruption. Start listening to people's voices. झेडपी इलेक्शना तुम कॅम्पेन कोताय जाल्यार सारकें, दुसरे कॅम्पेन कोताय जाल्यार रॉंग. म्हणजे रुल्स तुमकां लागताय, दुसऱ्यांक लागताय, तुमकां लागनाय मुसता रुल्स. तुम रुल्स कोताय ते तुमगे रुल्स मुसता, लोकांगे कांय आयको नाका. COVID patients also you are saying that they are allowed for ZP election. That means you are trying to even danger those lives of people sitting in the ZP poll booths. You are trying to put them into risk. Why? तेच जाल्यार तूं OCI, NRI, सीफेरर येताय ते तूं कित्याक म्हणना आस दिया तेंकां घराको वच दिया, ते आमगे मनीस म्हणू. तूं why did you had in your mind that they are COVID patients only, yeah they are coming from out, let's put them in quarantine? Why didn't you use your brains that time in such logics? Secondly, ZP elections येताय. ओके, लोकांको मागोत हांव, ओ मुगे भाव, तो मुगे फ्रेंड, ओ मुगे भयण, हे मुगे सोयऱ्याचे, तेश कोन वोट कोनाकाय. Think wisely and vote. I'm still getting calls saying that मुगे नाव उमके मुगे ballot box vote. Bye Baba, don't worry. आम तुगे ballot box इसरो नाय and neither we will forget you. Okay, next 5 years, coming 5 years, we will not forget you all. Kitya, you all will be the representative of the constituencies. So we will remind you कि तुम ड्यूटी हुई फेल जाता है आफ्टर गेटिंग इलेक्टेड. ऑल्सो whoever is getting elected, तुम इलेक्ट जाल मुटरी पासून we will remind you what is your duty, where you are going wrong. लोकांक मागोता, these are your representatives. Okay, हाल जिकिल जाल्या पासून make them remind what is their responsibility, where they need to work, what they need to work. आयज जाल्यार सगळे एशको न्यू फेसीस चोयले ना, पेंडेमिका कितें कोलो चोयल ना तेंकां, ना हे 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स ओपोज कोता पासून चोयल ना. म्हळ्यार कॅम्पेनिंगा रेडी आहाय ते फूल स्विंगाचे. सो लोकांक सांगता रायट नाव ऑल्सो थिंक वायजली एंड वोट. ओके, इवन इफ someone has been elected, keep reminding what is wrong, what are they doing wrong. Show them their responsibilities. This is a time for us to rise and voice up. If we don't voice up, start ton ugot konai zala, corrupts will keep their corruption on. Right now also I'm telling you all, leave, yeah, let us leave all the party groups, everything aside. Let's get united. Unity will make us win. This corrupts will understand what is people's power and somtole am log kitto. So asking people, each and every individual, voice up, rise up. Whatever in your constituency is going wrong, rise up, voice up for it. Right now, the chief minister of Goa wants to go for Liberation Day celebration. In what ways I don't know, where people are going through so many things. चीफ मिनिस्टराक विचारपा सोदिता हांव, कोविड केसीस झिरो जालो आहा, स्टेट आमगे कोविड फ्री जालो आहा, so grandly that you want to celebrate it. People are not happy, but you all are happy because you all are into full on corruption. So people, think wisely, vote wisely for tomorrow, and do question. सगळ्यांकू हे कॅम्पेन हे इलेक्शना बसले ते क्वेश्चन जिकील मुटरी पासून क्वेश्चन करीत रावाय. आमगे आख्खें गोंय डिस्ट्रक्शना भायर चलो आहा हे. सो प्लीज कीप आस्किंग देम, स्पेशली कीप आस्किंग आवर चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा इन what ways he wants to celebrate this Goa's Liberation Day. Ask him, is he against double tracking? Is he against coal? Is he against the mole that is going in destruction, the lungs of Goa? Ask him. This is your time to voice and raise up. Unitedly we can. ते farmers are चोया Delhi आहाय ते ना group ना कसले ग्रुपा banner ना political banner ना. They are under only one banner, that is farmers unity. तेशें कोन आमच्यान पासून आमगे गोंय राखपा एकठांय येन सगळ्यांनू आमगे गोंय राखो जाता. तेशें कोन आमचे गोंयचे फार्मरा पासून मागोता, this bill is going to affect you all also. Stand by them. I do stand by the farmers. सो लोकांको मागोता एकठांय येन आमचे गोंय सांबाळुया. देव बरें करूं.